Hi Nancy, good evening. It's 8:41 p.m. Still Tuesday, same day. I see you tomorrow on Wednesday. And this is a summary of what we did today. Today. So, still all clear, number one. And we started a new chapter, lesson 5, with the restaurants and different situations. So let me just go back. Are you ready to order? So this is done. It's from the previous video. And now we have the dialogue, and I'm going to zoom in a bit. Oh, it's so nice to eat out and have time together. What a great birthday present. I'm glad you like it. I'm always happy to treat you to lunch. Very important. And I was thinking, we never really have time to just sit and talk. I know. And now we have 2 hours, and this is a really nice place. You're going to hear people saying, and this is a real nice place, instead of saying really nice place. Yeah, I come here once in a while, sometimes, time to time. So what are you going to have? I'm not sure yet, but you order whatever you want. It's your birthday. Whatever I want. Okay. But please, don't sing happy birthday when we have dessert. If you do, I'll go under the table. You'll never change, always so shy. Well, that's me. Anyway, I think I'll have the chicken Caesar salad. What are you going to have? The salad sounds good, but I'm going to have soup too because I'm really hungry. And again, you can hear Americans say, I'm real hungry. Okay, they not really pronounce the whole thing. So, there is a second dialogue, the waitress and the brother. Hi, are you ready to order? Yes, we are. I would like the chicken Caesar salad. Anything to drink? Just water for now. And how about you? I'll have the same. But I'd also like the vegetable soup. I would also like the vegetable soup. Will that be all? We could have said something else. We could have said like anything else. That's all for now. Okay, I'll be right back with your soup. Thanks. We just have to circle what is correct. They don't have time to relax and talk very often. The brother and sister often have time to relax and talk. No. The right one is they don't have time to relax and talk very often. They are each going to pay for half the lunch, and the brother is going to pay. The brother is going to pay because this is his sister's birthday. For the brother, this is the first time in this restaurant. For the brother, this isn't the first time in this restaurant. Well, for the brother, this isn't the first time because he comes here once in a while. The brother is very shy. The sister is very shy. The sister is very shy because if they want to sing the happy birthday song, well, she'll go under the table. The sister doesn't want soup. They are both going to have soup and salad. Yeah, they are both going to have soup and salad. Okay, so eat out or to go out to eat or to eat in a restaurant. Let's eat out tonight. I don't want to cook. We ate out last night. I'll make you dinner. What do you want? They mean like, we ate outside. We went to the restaurant yesterday, so no need to do that again tonight. I'll cook this time. Let's do something special for your birthday. Let's go out to eat. So eat out or go out to eat. Really? That's a great idea. Thank you. Similar expression to eat outside. Eat in the fresh air under the sky. Okay, so to eat outside. Can we eat outside? I don't know. I think it's going to rain. What do you want to do tonight? Cook, eat out, order pizza, or get takeout Chinese food? Well, if we go outside, it's gonna be small stuff like a taco place, Friday night or Saturday. It depends the schedule. Do you plan to go out to eat next month to celebrate a special occasion? A birthday, anniversary? No, 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 no. Do you have a balcony? Well, so it's outside, the backyard. In the backyard. So, yeah, it depends where you live. If you live downtown, maybe a bit difficult. To treat someone to something. To pay for someone, for example, for a meal or for a movie. It's your birthday. I want to treat you to the movie. Thank you, but it's too expensive. I can pay for my own ticket. No, I'm happy to do it. It's your birthday present. Wow, really? Thank you. Similar expression, it's my treat. Don't worry about it. Put away your wallet. So put away your wallet. It's my treat. No, let's split the bill. You pay half and I pay half. No, I just graduated and I want to treat you. That's really nice. Thank you. But please, let me leave the tip. To leave the tip to the waiter or the waitress. Okay? Or let me pay the tip. Let me leave the tip. To leave the tip. So, choose a special occasion from the list. Birthday, graduation, celebration, going out, going away, lunch for one person. You can ask, start different conversations. It's okay. It's not really difficult here. Once in a while, sometimes. Not once in a while can be an answer to question how often. How often do you go to the movies? Well, once in a while. I don't really know exactly. How often do you come to this restaurant? Oh, once in a while, but I want to celebrate something special. When I want to celebrate something special. Do you speak English when you're not in class? Do I speak English when I'm not in class? That's a very interesting question. Well, I have to say, I speak English only once in a while because we don't speak English at home. But I watch TV a lot. How often do you read the newspaper? Once in a while. How often do you clean your room? Every day. Do you study a lot? Once in a while. Do you try to use new expressions when you speak English? Every day. When you listen to people speak English, do you hear them using expressions you studied? I hope so. Whatever you want. You can have or do anything that you want. I had a crazy dream last night. You see, had, last night, simple past. We specify. I went to buy a car and the salesperson said, you can have whatever you want for just $5. So I bought a beautiful new car and then I woke up. The party is at 8 o'clock. Can I wear jeans? Sure. You can wear whatever you want. Similar expressions, wherever you want, in any place that you want. Whenever you want, at any place that you want. Where do you want to eat? Wherever you want. Really? How about that new Chinese restaurant near your house? Great idea. What time do you want to go? Whenever you want. Okay. Whatever you want, whenever you want, wherever you want, and whenever you want. We're going to have to work on that. Okay. I would like to order. I'd like to order. Can I have your order? Yes. I think I'll have a cheese omelette with toast or a muffin. Toast. And my son will have scrambled eggs with toast. Anything to drink? Yes. I'll have coffee and he'll have orange juice. So we're going to be working on that tomorrow on page 87. Well, let's see what else you have. Hungry and angry. I told you about the hangry kind of expression. Let's stop here and it's an interesting chapter. And of course now exercise is the same kind of stuff. It's a long chapter, but it's worth it. I think it's very, very worth it. And lesson 6 will be my leg is killing me. That is also very important. Anyway, page 87 for tomorrow. You have a good evening and talk to you tomorrow morning. Take care, Nancy. Bye-bye.